If you see, this is one of our channel. These channels is you see here like 148 and 80832 views, and earning is 275.4k. It's a short videos channels, and I hope that will be help you with and these channels is using ChatGPT and other AI, mostly ChatGPT. So go with me how we can make money with the ChatGPT. Okay, how you can make money with ChatGPT using YouTube Shorts. Here, if we go in this channel, here is it. Well, bubbles. Here you can get you can see, if you go these sites, they are creating the foods and how to that foods will be better for your body, for your health, and for your everythings, and easily can mix. And here many kinds of source videos they are making and earning money by YouTube Shorts. So two-way, the basic two-way, and I say that in ChatGPT, the help of ChatGPT you can make money is the basic two-way. One is the content, YouTube video source making, writing, and another is you can go the products, affiliate products, that is Amazon, and also you can earn by the go and affiliates. There are lots of affiliates you can make the money. So how you can use that ChatGPT and make the video? Just write that's you can comment that's about the food. If you thinks I making the food, okay, just food, okay. If you tell this, all of this text you can use for, if you directly use the text in the video, you can use in video, and also you can use free AI about that Steve AI. Here is it, text to animations, you can use it, and also you can use the Canva. Here is it, you can use the Canva. It's a mobile friendly and YouTube, easily you can upload in YouTube, okay, that's why. And another is you can go and create in video your videos, and also this is very easy. And you can, another way you can generate your videos in the shorts program, different kinds of, but that's way is very easy, and you can make ultimately your money. And basically the Canva is easy, but if you use the text to video, you can use here text to video. You just text to animation. Here you can use your start your animations easily. You can click here and side, and you can make very kinds of text. That's is a papaya. They are making videos, okay. These videos which is acid, these activity you just write, and they will give you that's your text, and you can provide in your video. Also you can use another text without ChatGPT, because ChatGPT is the 21st century. The ChatGPT didn't give you the latest update. If I say here, can you give me 2013 data, but the ChatGPT didn't give the 13 data, 2021 only, September. Therefore I would have access to real-time information on data from it. I apologize for inconvenience. Is there anything else can I help you? For the reasons you have to use Google Power. Here is and another is you can use here is it, that is Bing Chat, okay. Bing Chat also very popular day by day. You give me 2020 data. Sure, here are some 2020 data. Exact data she will giving to us. Okay, you can take these in Google search. They will actual. Okay, the world population is expected at the. So the world populations, if you copy and search into Google, if you go to the Google and search it, world 7.7 even 8.033. That means same 8 and 7.88. It's same to same. Okay, and you can use also the Bing AI. Here is it. You can say here 8 billion in mid-November. Okay, 8 billion. So didn't give you the proper way you can use that's, and by that way you can make shorts video like these. You can use Canva, Steve.ai, and also you can use another softwares, regular softwares like another video softwares, and also you can get in. And ChatGPT, if you use anything, he can do Bible code. Okay, next Bible codes. Trust the Lord in the proofs here, and you can regenerate again here. Okay, by that way you can take these and copy here and paste in here. If you use Canva, or if you use in video, or if you use AI, Steve AI, by that way you can make video and upload that video in YouTube Shorts, and it will be generate more and more views, and you can earn money. And you can, if you create affiliate like Amazon or like a ClickBank, and if you go to the Amazon, if you select that video games, okay, you can select these and copy these and sentences. Okay, just these word and copy these and go to the Canva. Here you can here's the point. You can upload these and here you can copy here. I just telling you, and go same to same, that will become words. You can, okay, you can like that, and you can make it and give the sound also. If you give the sound here, this will be okay, and then upload this from this video. Here download the video, MP4 video. Okay, you can MP4 video and on download and upload your YouTube and link that product link in your YouTube Shorts video. In your YouTube Shorts video, here is it. You can in comment sections you can add this. Here is a comment, and you can pin your comment sections here. Okay, pin that comments and add the product. By that way you can earn money with ChatGPT and shorts video, YouTube Shorts video. Thank you very much for watching my videos.